Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Coinbase wallet app not working. So how you can fix it right now in your phone. So the very first thing we have to do we have to just go to the Play Store. If you are using a iOS, then just go to the App Store, and on the search bar you know what you have to type. You have to type Coinbase and make sure to update the app as soon as possible. So if you get an option of update in the place of open, just update the app right now, and after that it may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to click and hold this app, and you have to click on the app info. You can go from the settings too, and after that you have to click on the storage usage, right? And after that you have to clear all the cache. After clearing all the cache, this may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then the last solution will definitely fix it. That is clear your old data. And after clearing the data, this may unload all the waste data that is right now in the Coinbase, and this may fix a problem, and you have to just log in the app once again and it will be work completely fine. So this is it guys. I hope you like this video, and if you did, then like this video right now and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.